Hey, Catherine Gibson here, independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel. This is round 2 of Scentsy Club subscriptions for the month of February. So if you've watched any of my other club unboxing videos, you know that I have 2 separate club subscriptions. In a nutshell, Scentsy Club is a subscription service that you can join for free. There's no sign-up cost. You only pay for the items that you receive, and you choose the frequency at which you receive them. You can get them monthly, every other month, or every third month. When your order is 30 US or $40 Canadian, you get a 10% discount across the board on every single item in your club, including licensed items, which is fantastic. When your club reaches $60 US or 79 Canadian, you then also qualify for a half price item. Other perks include exclusive bricks, which are only available in club. You cannot add them to any other type of order. And also the fact that you can get your favorite scents forever, even after they are discontinued. One of the biggest problems really with any type of fragrance business is that as the new season begins and new fragrances come out, that means old ones have to be discontinued to make room. And like, raise your hand if you've ever been victimized by a discontinued list, right? We've all had that sad moment when we realized that we did not stock up enough, we did not add our favorite to club, and it's never coming back again. So Scentsy Club removes that issue. So you can add anything that is consumable to your club. And I don't mean consumable like you eat it. I mean that you use it up and run out. Okay, so this can be wax, oils, light bulbs. One of my favorite things in club is cotton cleanups. These make wax changing really easy. I keep a big jar of them on my desk like this. I think they look so pretty. And then when I do my wax change, I take an armload of these, just dip them into the warmer. This will soak up between 4 to 8 cubes worth of wax. And then I actually save these and give them to a friend that has a wood burning fire, and she likes using them as fire starters. So the other things in this club are mostly bars. That's what I use it for. As a consultant, I host my own parties a lot, which means I get a lot of my everyday use items at a discount for free or for half price, which is a great consultant perk. So I use Club mainly for those discontinued fragrances that I can't live without. So this subscription is my monthly, every month subscription. So I'm not going to sniff every bar because I've shown you these ones before, but I will let you know what I have. Maybe you like some of the same scents. Pineapple, coconut, vanilla, one of my all-time faves. I will never take that out of club. Same with Love and Kisses Mini. This is sweet and girly and just, oh, it makes me so happy. Another one that I didn't think I would like at first, but it has become an all-time favorite, Southern Evening. It is floral and woodsy and romantic and just beautiful. You've heard me say it before. Newer additions have been Looney Tunes. This one reminds me of like gummy candies. Full disclosure, I actually just removed this one from my club. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. It's not like I can't live without it. So that one got axed after this shipment. Same thing with Justice League. This one it's really nice. It's like a crisp cologne, manly, fresh type scent. I would put it in my son's rooms, but they have diffusers and air purifiers in their rooms. They don't have warmers right now. So I actually did take this one out of my club as well. I have and will never remove Stitch and Angel. These two are perfect on their own, or they actually mix really well too. And what I love doing is saving them up for several months and then like filling all my warmers in my whole house with one or both of these. Literally smells like a vacation, which I think we all could use right now. Other favorites are, oh, these are so good. I don't think it's a coincidence that a lot of my always get my bars are Disney. I'm just saying, I'm a huge Disney fan. Mulan, Not Your Everyday Dragon. This one, oh, My mouth waters every time I smell it. It's so perfect. And Aladdin 3 Wishes. This is like blueberry candy. As of right now, Tuesday, March 1st at 7:30 p.m. This bar is actually available in the clearance section on my website. So if it's one that you haven't tried, wanted to try, forgot to add to club, but you want to stock up on, go grab some while you can. I also recently added Olaf when he was available again in the winter. I'm debating keeping him or not. It's a really nice, fresh, soft mint. It's not too overpowering. Don't hate it, don't love it. So I don't know if he's going to stick around. Quiet Grove. This is such a classic winter forest scent. It doesn't smell like Christmas trees, I don't think, but it does definitely smell woodsy. And I guess I like some woodsy scents. I like the white woods and the light woods, like Pacific sandalwood, plum and white woods. Actually, in all honesty, I removed this one too. I don't hate it, but I don't melt it often enough. And when I do, it's like, it's just okay. So I just had to do some whittling down. It was getting a little out of control, and I'm sure that there's going to be more new scents that I want to add soon. Shimmer. This will never leave my club. Oh, ultimate girly girl. Fantastic fragrance. There's a couple more that were in here that have already been used. That was Vanilla Suede and Vanilla Oud, again with the woodsier scents. And then my half price item for this subscription was the whiff box. Now, this is the February whiff box. February is already gone, so I'm not going to tease you with the contents. You've probably already seen what's in here anyway, but I will be getting the March one soon, and I will be sure to unbox that for you. So in other Scentsy Club news, I actually made a big decision and combined my 2 subscriptions. So I had 2 subscriptions. One was every month, one was every other month, and they were both getting quite large. So what I did the other day was I sat down and I was a little bit ruthless and I canceled some fragrances. I cut some down, like some I was getting 2 bars or multiple bars of, so I cut them down and I combined them. So I will get one huge order every other month. Now, of course, I can still always start a new club anytime that I want to, and I may do that in the future. But for right now, I'm really excited that it's going to just be one huge shipment. I do end up having kind of a huge stash, so I wanted to make sure to be able to work through my bars while they're fresh, and not have a lot of clutter around. Anyway, I hope that this was at least a little bit interesting. I hope that you will check out Club and start your own subscription if you haven't already. And check out also the new Rewards and Referrals program. If you are a club member, you will earn points on all of your own club purchases. You also get rewards when you refer a friend who signs up for Club with your referral link. So I'll include links in the description, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.